So welcome all, you are watching DriveToChill on YouTube, and in this video I am driving from Frankfurt city, from the main train station area where the Akmal sweet shop is, for specific reference, Elbestrasse something. So, and I'm going towards the Darmstadt. So yeah, this time I will take the Sachsenhausen city center side, and will not take the Autobahn A5. Yeah, there's so many people, you have to take care of so many stuff. Some people are coming with the bicycles, by foot, and they just appear like a missile launch on your left or the right, So this road, the one I'm driving on, is the Kaiserstrasse, and that is connecting main train station, main entrance to directly to the Offenbach city center. If I just drive straight, then I will be there in no time. And now I will turn right, and somewhere then I will turn left. So yeah, on the right side you will see the place called Willy Brandt-Platz or Bank Square area, and in this area all the taller buildings are mainly belongs to banks, including the old building of European Central Bank. They have a new building in the Frankfurt east side on the Main River, which is also very cool, modern design, glass building, glass and metal, it's all cool, or glass and steel, I would say. Yeah, this time I will try to put more videos where I can also describing or telling about something, just like watching style, vlog style. Some of the information will be useful, some of that you can just, you don't have to even hear. And great, we can just move. Yeah, so the plan is to go along the river, and as you know, maybe from other videos, or as you know already, the Frankfurt has a river that passes through the city, and the river name is Main. It is spoken Main, or it is written in English. If I look at the spelling, then it is Main. That is why this Frankfurt is also called the Frankfurt Main. Frankfurt at Main River, Main River. So Frankfurt is situated in a Frankfurt, Darmstadt and Gensheim. This area is actually in a valley type shape area, so it's more of flat land, and this area is called Rhine-Main Gebiet or Rhine-Main area. Rhine is one river, Main is another river. So yeah, and I'm turning now to the right side, where we will reach the Sachsenhausen. It's the city part, and one of the oldest city part. Yeah, about Frankfurt, I think it's roughly 1000 years old, and Frank is the person name, Ford is, I guess, the Ford, and that's why it's developed like Frankfurt. Also, in Germany you have two Frankfurt. One is Frankfurt am Main, the one I am in. It is the Frankfurt on the Main River, and the other one is the Frankfurt Oder. So Oder is another river, so this is why they call it Frankfurt am Main, Frankfurt Oder. So yeah, just to explain the idea why they call the city in this way. just changed the lane quickly, and the lady was not mad, which is really great. Thank you for that. Yeah, today is Saturday and cloudy, not so cold. Very good. Cloudy, not good, because you have less light and you see less colors, less vibrant stuff, And I will cross the river bridge now. The right in front of me is the river bridge, and underneath is the river passing by from left to right. And yeah, it's in Germany, geographical thing that this river is floating from south to north, and at I think Mosel or somewhere, or near Koblenz somewhere, Main gets together with the Mosel, and some point it gets dropped into the Rhine River, I guess, if I'm not making a mistake. And this bridge is the Unter-Main Brücke is the bridge. So on our right is the German Film Museum. It's very cool and very good information. If you would like to go there, they have some classical artistic movies, short movies, and some history about cameras, filmmaking, how it is being developed, how the camera was made, film camera, photo camera, the lenses, and all this kind of good stuff. I think it has a very value if you want to learn this stuff and good information. Nowadays we have just handy, we just press the button and we have the coolest photo possible, which is also good. I really appreciate that. It saves a lot of time, but if you know what is going on under the hood, it's more valuable and it's more interesting for me and for the most people as well. Anyways, on the left side is the Main River, and they have a cool bank sides where you can walk, and there are so many stalls, some festivals sometime going on, food festival, cultural festival, and there is so much stuff here. And this river on my left is also connecting to the oldest part of the city. On the right is a church. I don't know the name of the church, but on the left side of the river is the oldest church. And right in front of us, you might be able to see the taller building in Frankfurt. That is the new European Central Bank. So just driving straight, and yeah, I'm heading to the Darmstadt, but I thought I should also shoot some Frankfurt city tour type videos where I'm talking some logical, some illogical stuff, and you guys can listen and understand, Yeah. On the right side is the official entrance of the Sachsenhausen, and on the left side is the bridge, which is just called Alte Main Brücke, or Old Main River Bridge. In German language is easier, the traditional way. They just collect different type of words, put them or glue them together with the letter S. If they want to write it together, if they want to use the space, they don't use the S, and then they have a new word that describe that object or thing, which is also good, So while I'm turning here, I should go straight, That's okay. Actually should turn right because it's a B3, but let's go straight and then change the lane there. A bit here, that thing, and then it's all cool. it's saying we'll right, but I will just go straight, you know, and come back, start another video from there. I think it's already on the 11-meter mark, so I will stop it like 15 minutes or something. Oh great, I'm going left only anyways. So we are on the right path. Take the middle lane, which is spare. I guess I might take the 661 again and then decide to go. Alright, stopping. Yeah, I've also noticed like in Germany you have the new signals and older signals, and they change color, you know, like everywhere. And the newer one, they give you less time between when it's yellow to red, and the older one, they are a little bit bigger in shapes and they are dull in lights too. So yeah, they give more time, and usually if you are coming this, you know, regular driving speed, you can easily cross the crossing. And the newer one, you have to stop suddenly, which I find is a bit not good for your car and for yourself and the car and the one person who's behind you, you know. The person who's driving behind you, probably the right way. Yeah. So I will take the 43 east side, and then probably the what do you call it? Take the Offenbach side, Ausfahrt, and then to the Darmstadt 661. Yeah. Yeah, this part of the town is relatively newer. That's why it's more cleaner. Buildings are relatively renovated or new, partially older buildings as well. So but overall Frankfurt is okay to live, but I would say it's not relaxing city. I will go like back of the Kaiserlei and then take the Ausfahrt. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, on my left is the old train bridge, which is also very dramatic. Someday I will shoot it with my drone, you know. It's really cool picture here, you know. Dramatic and some can be made and scenic stuff, you know. Can add value to the cinematography. It's 50 here, but you know, 70, right? So also two modern bridges. They have very nice design as well. One of which is like similar to, if you play the Battlefield on PlayStation, I think it's 2059 or 2050 something. It's very cool, and they have one of the level in which you have that bridge, actually similar design, put in the some UAE Emirates, yeah, some Arab country, you know. Yeah, this part you don't have to listen when I say some things like that, you know. sometimes I have this feeling, more signals and less people on the road. And you get every signal red as well most of the time. Yeah, just for the information, we are driving on B43 towards now Offenbach direction, basically Offenbach Kaiserlei, and then we will take the right somewhere and we will be in the direction to Darmstadt. So I guess I will stop the movie in a couple of minutes, or maybe 1 minute, and then start the new one that will then from Offenbach Kaiserlei to Darmstadt, you know. Yeah. So yeah. There's a new name for, I think there's a building in front of me, the grey one, that is a hotel, and it says Marriott, but it's a Delta Hotels Marriott. So they probably have a new flavor for mid-range prices, I guess, because the building is not so fancy and the name is like Delta, you know, it's not Alpha, Beta or something. So sounds like a cheap one. Low range for you, low price for you. Yeah, I think we are in Offenbach now, and I will stop the video now on the next signal. And guys, if you like the video, please subscribe if you have not already, and please hit the thumbs up button and put some comments, share the videos to others. And again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the other videos. Bye bye.